Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a complete makeover on Kel. So what we're going to do is we're going to be eliminating some of this old blonde and we're going to be coming back in with a root tap. We're going to be using baby lights and some face framing to really make that face pop. We're also going to be going back in afterwards with our Jayne hair extension hair extensions to apply a full head of wefts, cut and style. So I'm doing extremely traditional foiling patterns today because my aim is to come through and clean out all of this gold. So baby lights all through, whole head, with plenty of face shaping blonde lights, so that at the end there we can really get our shape that we want the hair to take with our toner. Finished Kel's complete makeover. As you can see, she has beautiful long hair now. So we've done some fresh baby lights, a root tap. We've applied our full set of Jayne hair extensions in our machine weft using the LAWEAAVE method, and this is the result.